Small Farm Life, hope you're all having an awesome day. And today, guys, is going to be a little bit different from the norm. I'm going to review the compressor that I purchased to spray the campervan, because I couldn't get anybody to paint the campervan. I couldn't find a spray booth to put the campervan in. There was none big enough in the area. And if I'd have got someone to paint that campervan, it would have cost thousands and thousands of pounds. So I went down another route and I bought a £500 compressor. And when you see the job it did, it painted the whole campervan. Not just one side or the back doors or a wing or anything like that, the whole campervan. And it looks absolutely pristine. This is a compressor that I used. Now, this compressor behind me is a Hyundai 150 litre tank. It displaces 14 CFM per minute. That's around about 395 litres per minute. It's got a 2-cylinder pump, so 2-cylinder compressor, and it cuts out around about 150 psi and then kicks back in around about 98 psi. Now, when I painted my van, or when the people who painted my van were using the low volume, low pressure spray gun, well, they had the fan wide open, they had the airflow wide open, and it held at 98 psi. It didn't drop anything below that pressure. Now, this wouldn't just be good for painting cars. It would also be good for doing woodwork and chores around the farm, because that's what this channel's about, farming videos. So if you want to do some woodworking, this compressor would be excellent, because it's not just only cheap at £500, which is what I paid for it. Now, I found a coupon online, so it was £529, and it took it down to £500 delivered. Now, it came really well packed and all put together, except for the rubber feet on the bottom, which took all of 10 minutes to put on. Now, it does weigh around about 117 kilos, so if you're not strong enough, get someone to help you, or at least put a couple of pieces of wood under each side, put the rubber feet on. It takes all of 10 minutes. It's no trouble at all. And the guy who delivered it, well, he was really helpful. He helped me get the compressor around to my farm. The customer service was helpful. With a 2-year manufacturer warranty, that's great. And after the 2-year manufacturer warranty runs out, there's lots of parts available for this compressor. Honestly, guys, when it came well packed, I mean well packed, I had to cut through the cardboard with a saw to actually get it out. And I'll show you what type of packaging it came in. I kept the top board and the bottom board because they'll come in useful around the farm. Now, let's say you were using it for woodworking. This would be putting brad nails in all day long. If you were using it for first fix nailing, perfect. If you were building sheds, this would be the perfect compressor to build sheds with. It'd be perfect for lots of jobs, and it comes with 2 air outlets. So let's say you were building sheds, well, you could have someone on one side with a nail gun and someone on the other side with a nail gun. Now, you might want to do other things around the farm with the compressor. You might want to refurbish some old farm implements. You might want to sandblast them. This compressor will handle sandblasting. It will handle any job you can throw at it. I can guarantee you that. And with the 2-year warranty, well, you can't go wrong. And with the customer service that they offer and all the technical advice that they offer, then it's absolutely excellent value for money. Great warranty, great customer service. Now, I paid full whack for this, so they're not paying me to say any of this stuff. If you want to check out what Hyundai has to offer, then the link is in the description below. They sell lots of different compressors. They've got loads of tools to use around the farm. They've got trenchers, they've got stump grinders, they've got strimmers, they've got weed whackers, they've got absolutely everything you could possibly imagine or want to use around a small farm. Now, today we're going to be painting this 2022 fully electric Corsa. It was salvage damage. This side's getting painted, the black trim along the top's getting painted, and the other side's getting painted. Now, if it can paint that campervan, a full campervan, it can certainly paint a full car. So whether you're a DIY at home, or you've got a garage and maybe you're doing paddle work or want to paint the odd full car here and there, this compressor is perfect for any of those jobs. So guys, what I'm trying to say is, if you're in the market for a compressor, then check out the Hyundai range of compressors, because they've got lots of different types. They've got silent direct drive compressors, oil-free compressors. They've got all sizes available, whether you're a professional or a home DIYer, then they've got all sorts of different types, and the customer service is absolutely excellent. Anyway, let's get on with painting this Corsa and show you guys just how good this compressor actually is. And that's using a HV gun, isn't it? It's even kicked in the motor. Looks absolutely amazing. Still needs to be buffed, but look at the shine on that. And we'll get a bit of video when I pull it outside into the sun. Compressor can do this, then it can certainly do any car you're looking to paint at home in the garage. Or as a semi-pro compressor where you might be just doing the odd spray job here and there, this compressor will do the job just fine. You're ugly mug.
So abusive.
There you have it, guys. That's my review of the 150 litre 3 horsepower motor, 2-cylinder pump with 2 air outlets. It's a wicked little compressor, especially for the money and the 2-year warranty. If it can paint my full camper van and you've just seen it in action in the garage, then it can do almost anything you can throw at it. So until next time, thanks again to all my patrons. Couldn't thank you guys enough. And YouTube members, really appreciate the support. My name's Craig, you've been watching Small Farmer Life. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, and you should subscribe, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified of upcoming videos, hit the bell button. Till next time, make sure you take care of yourself. Most of all, take care of the family. Be genuine, guys. Bye for now. See ya.